Dear student, the question number 7, this is the second video of the day, in which the value of x equal to sine cube t over cos 2t and y value is cos cube t under root cos 2t. These are the value of x and y. Actually, we are unable to solve these two x and y when bifurcate the page into the two part, so that we will solve this separately. So first line you must pay more attention, because in the second line I will explain in the next page. So d over dat, dx over dt, what is sine cube t over under root cos 2t. This is u over b, and now we will use the formula, quotient formula. So denominator, then the differentiation of numerator, minus numerator and dy over dx to the denominator. Similarly solve this. So denominator cos 2t in under root into differentiate to the numerator sine cube t, it is 3 sine square t. Okay, now sine t is left. Again do the differentiation of the sine t. What we are doing here? Forget or you remember? This is the chain rule. Okay, so sine t is converted into the cos t. Okay, now minus, leave the numerator sine cube t and differentiate to the denominator 1 over under root x. It means 1 over 2 under root x. Similarly 1 over 2 under root cos t. And now the cos 2t is left. The cos 2t value is minus sine 2t. This is again we are using the chain formula. Now 2t is left. The differentiation of 2t is 2 square of the denominator. Clear? And now in the next page I will take the LCM. This one 2 cancel and this one 2 is cancel. These 2 and 2 are cancelled, and now we are taking the under root cos 2t as a LCM. When we will take the LCM, then it remove the x under root, and this cos 2t will in the denominator. How it is possible? Just check in the. So dx over dt, that when we are taking the LCM, so that 3 sine square t cos t under root cos t, the LCM marker, plus sine 2t sine cube t 1 over cos 2t. Understand? Over cos 2t, because the denominator is square. Under root cos 2t square means cos 2t, and this cos 2t, actually it is not only the one. Actually just put the line, whole of the line. And now when under root cos t go to the denominator, then its value is 1 over under root t, 1 over 2. It is 1. The 1 plus 1 over 2, that is over the 3 over 2. And now check this numerator. It is 3 sine square t cos t. Clear? And cos 2t when you are taking the LCM. Okay, I have not taken the LCM in this line, so that forget, I am not putting this line. But this is cos 2t, then sine 2t sine cube t, and this cos 2t when we are taking the LCM, it goes to the, then it becomes cos 2t 3 over 2. Okay, sine square t sine cube t. So we can take the common sine square t. When we will take the sine square t common, then 3 cos t cos 2t. Right here sine 2t and sine square t taken already you have common, so it becomes only sine t. Denominator remains same. Again the sine square t is taken you have common, so 3 cos t cos 2t. So you can write here 2 cos t cos 2t and cos t cos 2t, means bifurcate it. So cos t cos 2t, inside the bracket sine 2t sine t. Denominator remains same. Sine square t as it is common, right, as it is 2 cos t cos 2t plus cos t cos 2t sin 2t sin t. It is the formula of cos 2t minus t. 2t minus t becomes cos t. अब here is the cos t, also cos t, so you also can take the common cos t. So sin square t cos t is the common. Inside the bracket 2 cos t plus 1 and denominator remains same. Clear? And now we are discussing about the y. Clear? So what is y? Y is cos cube t under root cos 2t. The same method we will apply in this case. So dy over dx. Sorry, it is not dx, it is dt. Just check it. Are you getting my result or not? Otherwise I will write with the pen. By the pen it is t. Because there is not x, we are just differentiate with respect to the t. So under root cos 2t, differentiate it, 3 cos square t, and now cos t, it become the minus sin t. In the previous questions many times you have do this, then dy over this, then dy over dt this. So no need to solve again and again, direct you can do. Okay, so minus cos cube t means leave the numerator and differentiate to the denominator. 1 over under root x equal to 1 over 2 under root x. So similarly 1 over 2 under root cos 2t, and the value of cos 2t is minus sin 2t, and the 2t value is 2. This 2 and this 2 again cancel out. Clear? Inside, and the denominator is cos 2t whole square. Okay, clear? Now minus sin t, where it is minus sin t, 3 cos square t, and now we are taking the under root cos 2t as a LCM. So under root cos 2t and under root cos t, when you multiply, then under root will remove, it will become the cos 2t plus cos cube t minus sin 2t. Minus and minus become plus, so that it is sin 2t, and its value is cos 2t because it is square, and this cos 2t means 1 upon 2, so its value is cos 2t 3 over 2. And now cos square t is common. Here just check cos square t, cos cube t. So you can take the common cos square t as a common, minus sin t minus 3. First you write here the numeral value 3. So minus 3 sin t into cos 2t, because cos square t already you have taken common. Cos cube t, cos square t you have taken common, so cos t into sin 2t. Denominator remains same. Cos square t inside the bracket. Now minus 3 sin t cos 2t. Bifurcate again it. Minus 2 sin t cos 2t and minus here sin 2t cos t. Again you can write here. Okay, plus cos t sin 2t. Cos t sin 2t. It is written here, and minus 1 is left, so minus sin t cos 2t you can write here, minus cos t sin 2t. This is the value of sin 2t minus t. I think you are not unable to understand because you are not getting the video, so that I am just putting here. Okay, so this is the formula of sin 2t minus t. Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. This is the value of sin x minus y. Already you have studied in the class 11th. Similarly, you will sin 2t minus t means sin t, and sin t here, so you can take the common sin t. Cos square t already you have taken the common, so inside the bracket, what is it become 1 minus 2 cos 2t over cos 2t power 3 over 2. And now our wish to get the value of dy over dx. So dy over dx, this value is, just check, dy over dx. So first means dy over dt, dx over dt. and dt is cancel out, dy over dx. This value is, just put the value of dy over dx, whatever you are getting the here, and the value of dx over dt, they put the value is denominator, and these two things is cancelled, and your value is this thing. Just check, sin t and this sin t is cancelled, cos square t and this cos t cancel, become cos upon sin. Cos upon sin is cot. So cot inside the bracket 1 minus 2 cos 2t over 2 cos 2t plus 1. 2 cos 2t plus 1, or you can write here 1 plus 2 cos 2t, whatever you will be write your wish. That is your answer. Pause the video and note down.